Ilmu Kelautan dan Perikanan Universitas Hasanuddin Makassar bekerjasama dengan Shanghai Ocean University dan Guangdong Ocean University Tiongkok menggelar seminar Sino-Indonesia Technical Cooperation on Offshore Marine Eco-Ranching. Seminar yang digelar di Ballroom Unhas Hotel and Convention pada Senin 28 Oktober 2024 ini merupakan upaya mendukung konservasi dan pembangunan sumber daya laut yang berkelanjutan. Rektor Universitas Hasanuddin Makassar, Profesor Dr. Insinyur Jamaluddin Jompa MSc, menyampaikan pentingnya menjaga laut sebagai rumah kita saat membuka seminar ini. Menurutnya, seminar ini merupakan kesempatan baik untuk memperkuat kerjasama antara Indonesia dan Tiongkok dalam pengembangan keberlanjutan laut melalui strategi eco-ranching di berbagai wilayah pesisir.
First of all, we are so happy here at Hasan University today in the seminar because this is marking really the showcase and also bringing all the stakeholders together to be able to discuss what have been going and what's going to be happening in the future. So since 2022, I think we're starting this cooperation through jointly construct or design this project together. So the livelihood of the coastal people, especially the people from the islands, most of them are fishermen. And the fishermen, of course, come from fisher and fishermen. So when the fish are scarce, when there are no many fish available around, I think there is no way the fishermen can survive. So we need to be able to make sure that the ocean can get the optimum productivity. The ocean need to be healthier again. We need to provide, just like human being. If you are sick, you cannot work, you cannot talk, you are not productive. So we need to be able to maintain our health condition in order to be more energetic, more productive. And that's what's happening to our ocean. So our ocean now is sick. So we need to provide a solution. That's activity that we provide, eco-ranching and other activities on providing artificial reefs and really understanding how the lives of the ocean need to be improved. By doing that, hopefully, and I think that's a kind of natural law, when the ocean productivity back to normal or even close to normal, then there are a lot more fish available. And that means for the fishermen, especially who lives in the islands, can gain from more fish stocks.
Seminar ini mengungkap pembangunan peternakan laut lepas pantai melalui kerjasama teknis Tiongkok-Indonesia dengan menggunakan konsep marine eco-ranching untuk mendukung produktivitas laut dan pertahanan ekosistem pesisir, di mana hadir Profesor Blin Liu dari Shanghai Ocean University sebagai moderator. Pemateri pertama Prof. Sui Fei Wang dari Guangdong Ocean University mengupas kemajuan dan praktik dalam peningkatan stok sumber daya perikanan. Disusul Prof. Suo Zhang dari Shanghai Ocean University yang menyampaikan perkembangan sektor marine ranching di Tiongkok. Dr. Syafidin Yusuf, peneliti terumbu karang Unhas, menyampaikan strategi perencanaan lokasi untuk implementasi terumbu karang buatan Makassar. Sementara Dr. Suryadi Saputra dari National Research and Innovation Agency menyampaikan materi tentang pemulihan laut untuk mendukung program marine ranching di Indonesia. Selain membahas pengembangan sumber daya perikanan, di seminar ini juga mengangkat pentingnya sikap saling menghargai dan memadukan keahlian antara Indonesia dan China. Rektor Unhas, Prof. Jamaluddin Jompa, menegaskan pentingnya kerjasama yang solid dan komplementer antara kedua negara dalam meningkatkan pemahaman teknikal marine eco-ranching.
So we need to learn from China and also our college from China learn from us. Specifically for Indonesia, we are very strong in knowledge on local condition, for biodiversity and ecological dynamics. But from our college from China, very strong in deploying technology, using so many techniques in understanding, for example, the movement of these animals, blah blah, through tagging, computerized and monitoring. So I think combining both of them are really going to be very strong. And doing it alone cannot be happen. And that means this joint technical cooperation really mutual and complementary each others, and hopefully also becoming a very strong bond between two groups and two countries. We need to give example for the world. The two nations, when work together, really producing a better world, better society, and not fighting each other all the time, as we see some countries doing now. So,
Prof. Bilin Liu pun menutup seminar dengan menyampaikan harapan agar kerjasama teknis ini dapat meningkatkan efisien dan berkelanjutan dalam pembangunan peternakan laut lepas pantai. Selain itu dikatakannya jika teknologi modern dan pemahaman lokal adalah kunci untuk mendukung konservasi dan pembangunan sumber daya laut yang berkelanjutan. Andi Putri Najwa, Muhammad Saiful, Unas TV.